Meet the permanent makeup machine that takes the custom Mast cordless motor and places it in a slim, lightweight and wireless body. Want to know more? You'll have to keep watching. I'm Charlotte from Killer Beauty, and this week we'll be taking a closer look at the Dragonhawk Mast Tool Y22 PMU machine. The Mast Tool Y22 is a thin, pen-style device which weighs in at 138 grams with the battery pack attached and with a diameter of 23.5 millimeters. Perfect for smaller hands and delicate handling, this ramrod straight pen-style machine is built around a custom cordless motor that will keep it running smoothly for the duration of your treatments. Powering the wireless Y22 is the dedicated battery pack that fits neatly onto the end of the machine. The 1200 mAh battery has a low energy consumption rate, meaning it takes only 2 hours of charging to provide 4 hours runtime, which can vary depending on voltage used. Check the top of the battery pack to see your speed and battery level. The updated LCD display shows the current voltage and a battery level bar to the side. You can change your voltage in 0.1 volt increments using the plus and minus buttons and control the flow of power with the central power button. If the battery runs out before you're ready to call it quits, simply remove the battery pack and use an RCA cable instead for zero interruptions during your working day. The 3.0mm stroke length in the Dragonhawk Mast Tool Y22 is ideal for all forms of PMU and also for fine line tattooing. The machine contains a stainless steel spring for a good direct hit that isn't too hard or too soft. And you can adjust the needle depth by easily rotating the grip. The Y22 is compatible with all universal cartridges, meaning you can pair it with your favourite brand. It also comes with a handy jumpstart function. Whether you're using the battery pack attachment or the RCA cable, the machine is easy to barrier wrap, with all the information on the battery pack clearly visible and the buttons accessible. Tempted by the Dragonhawk Mast Tool Y22? Find it on the Killer Beauty site in 3 stunning colours: black, pink or gradient pink. If you loved this video, make sure to tap that like button and subscribe to the Killer Beauty YouTube channel. We regularly post product videos, artist interviews and educational content that you won't want to miss.